Let me confirm. Your name is Swapnil Tiwari and your contact number is 9630002. Is this correct?
Yes, that's right.
Saving your details, Swapnil. Thank you, Swapnil. Your details have been saved.
So this sales AI agent created by me can talk to your clients, capture their name and number, and store the details directly in Google Sheets. It can also provide complete information about your products and services, and even convince customers to choose your brand. Let's watch this demo.
Hello, I am Vani. How can I help you?
I want to know something about your academy.
I am happy to help you. May I please have your full name and your 10-digit contact number?
My name is Swapnil Tiwari and my number is 96300 double.
Let me confirm. Your name is Swapnil Tiwari and your contact number is 9630002. Is this correct?
Yes, that's right.
Saving your details, Swapnil. Thank you, Swapnil. Your details have been saved. Now, how can I help you today?
Okay, so I want to know about the prices for the basic French course in your academy.
The A1 level, which is the beginner level, for French language training is 18,000 rupees. This includes study material.
But your courses are a little
Visit
bit
our.
expensive. Your courses are a little bit expensive.
I understand your concern about the pricing, Swapnil. We do offer installment facilities for long duration courses. Also, we have group discounts if two.
I would like to visit your academy. What's the address of it?
The address of the academy is 314 Tulsi Tower, Gita Bhavan Square, Indore 452001. We are open Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Looking forward to seeing you at the academy. Have a wonderful day.
You can embed this AI agent on your website or share it on WhatsApp, social media, or in customer groups to convert cold leads into hot leads. It works 24 by 7 and costs just the fraction of what you'd pay a telecaller or receptionist. If you'd like to learn how to build one yourself, comment AI below.